Hey guys, how's it going? Look, we're going to apply self-leveling cement here, self-leveling cement in this warehouse, okay? It's on the subfloor, all right? The subfloor is really nice. We recommended self-leveling cement to the client since this will be a storage area. And before applying the self-leveling cement, what do we need to do? Apply the primer. Do you agree with me? For any self-leveling cement, we need to apply primer first. Which one do I always use in my projects? Look, Smart Resina, okay? As a primer, as a preparatory base, as a sealer, everything. In all my projects, no matter the situation or the surface preparation, I use Smart Resin. I've already applied it everywhere here in this area. Now I'm already applying it in the final stage here. The dilution for it, in this case that I'm doing here, is like this. If I used a liter of Smart Resin, I would add a liter of water, mix it, and start the application. The self-leveling cement I'm going to use here is Nivela Mais, which I've already shown you several times, this product, okay? And once again, we're going to use Nivela Mais here, okay? And the subfloor is really good. It's a great subfloor for applying the self-leveling cement here. And that's why the client agreed to the idea of using the self-leveling cement. I showed him earlier how it would look once it's finished, right? In fact, after I apply the self-leveling cement, I apply another coat of Smart Resin on top of the self-leveling cement. So basically, I make a sandwich. I apply the Smart Resin first, then I do the self-leveling, and after that, I apply another coat of Smart Resin. So if you have a warehouse, a storage room, a house, or an apartment, okay? If you're going to do self-leveling there at your house, use Smart Resin as a base coat, as a primer, okay? Just like in many other situations. For example, want to see another very practical example here? This wall has been plastered. It's a very good plaster, but it's already older plaster. So if I'm going to apply acrylic putty or regular putty here, I apply the Smart Resina first, okay? I prepare this surface with Smart Resin, then I apply the regular putty or acrylic putty or even paint. If I were just going to paint this plaster here, it's well done. I would apply the Smart Resin first, and then I would go in with the final finish, putty or paint. So, if you knew the power this product has in your project in preparing the surface, whether you're going to use self-leveling or do a repaint. If you realize this product's power, you'd use it for everything. That's what I do in my projects. If I'm going to paint, if I'm going to repaint, if I'm going to use self-leveling, if I'm going to do plastering, everything, I use this product here to guarantee my work, all right? Down below, in the description of this video, there's a link to the website where you can buy it, the Smart Resin, okay? And if you use the coupon, our coupon, ARC7 decorations, you'll still get a little discount at the time of purchase, all right? That's the tip from the video for you. Take care.